Hi, I'm Jen. Welcome to Moving to Lake Wylie. So you're thinking about moving to Lake Wylie, South Carolina. Well, as someone who relocated her family here in 2012, I can tell you Lake Wylie is amazing. But for now, let's dive into my top 5 active adult communities in and near Lake Wylie, South Carolina. If you're downsizing or looking for that next chapter of low maintenance living, you've got more options around Lake Wylie than you might think. Today, I'm giving you my top 5 active adult communities across 3 of the most popular areas. 2 are in Belmont, 2 are in Tega Cay, and 1 right here in Lake Wylie, South Carolina. This is just a quick overview of each so you know what's out there. I will be doing full in-depth tours on several of these very soon. But for now, let's start in Belmont. My first pick in Belmont is Carolina Riverside, a Del Webb community that's just minutes from downtown Belmont and Charlotte Douglas Airport. This one's a true 55+ lifestyle community. Think a massive clubhouse, indoor and outdoor pools, pickleball, bocce court, a dog park, and a full-time lifestyle director that's running the whole show. Pricing here has ranged from about high 400s up to the $1 million range, depending on the lot and the floor plan, with most homes landing in the $550,000 to $700,000 range. I've got a full video coming up dedicated just to Carolina Riverside, so keep an eye out for that one if this community catches your eye. My second Belmont pick is the Courtyards at Cramerton, right in the same Belmont-Cramerton area. This community tends to run a little more affordable than Carolina Riverside, with homes generally in the low 500,000s to upper 500,000s. It is a great option if you love the location, but want a slightly smaller price tag. If you're downsizing and you're curious what your current home could sell for as you plan your move to one of these communities, grab your free home value report in the description box below. You can also book a call with me there and we'll talk through your options. Now, let's head over to Tega Cay. In Tega Cay, my first pick is Windhaven, specifically the Meadows at Windhaven, a 55+ section within this community. Windhaven offers single-story living with a cabana, outdoor pool, and playground, and it's zoned for Tega Cay Elementary, Gold Hill Middle, and Fort Mill High School. This is helpful if you're helping your children, if you're helping with the grandkids and after-school pickup. Pricing here generally runs from the high 400s to the mid 500s. My second Tega Cay pick is Courtyards at Tega Cay, a gated 55+ community. This one's a little different. It doesn't have a long list of resort-style amenities, but the HOA takes care of all of your exterior maintenance. So your lawn, your landscaping, all of it is handled for you. You'll also find sidewalks throughout and a dedicated pet area. It's really about simple, easy, low-maintenance living behind a gate. Pricing in Courtyards at Tega Cay has generally ranged from the high 400s up to around $650,000, depending on floor plan and whether the home has a finished basement. Now let's talk about Lake Wylie itself, and my pick here is the Gentry at Handsmill. This is a gated 55+ lakefront community with access to boat slips, dry boat and RV storage, a clubhouse, fitness center, and pool, and it's golf cart friendly throughout the neighborhood. Pricing here has a wide range, generally from the low 500s up to around $950,000, depending on the lot, a lake view, and finishes, with most homes landing somewhere in the 600s. So there you have it, my top 5 active adult communities in Belmont, Tega Cay, and Lake Wylie. Each of these communities has its own personality, so if one of them caught your eye, let's talk about which one actually fits your lifestyle and budget the best. If you're curious about the homes that are available in Lake Wylie, fill out my inquiry form in the description box below, and I'll be in touch with you today to talk about it. You can also grab all of my free guides and book a call with me there too. Whether you're moving in 5 days, 5 weeks, or 5 months, it's never too late or too early to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can see videos about living in Lake Wylie. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.